guys, it's Begin from Tutorial Tube. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesecake brownies. So first what you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350. Then you're going to need a box of brownie mix. You can use any kind. I like chewy fudge. 8 ounces of cream cheese, a fourth a cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and a third a cup of sugar, and 3 eggs. Then you're going to need to grease a 9x13 glass pan, and you'll need a mixer and a mixing bowl. So first you're going to make the brownies according to the box instructions. I'm going to dump the mix in, and then my box says to do 2 eggs, so I'm going to put 2 eggs in there. And then the third one will be saved for later. Okay, and then I'm also going to use my fourth cup of water. And I'm going to need half a cup of oil. So then I'm going to mix that up. Okay, now it should be pretty mixed. Now that it is mixed, you're going to spread this mix in the pan. Okay, it's almost all in the pan. So now, I'm going to set this bowl to the side, and I'm going to get a new bowl. So I'm going to scrape this cream cheese, the 8 ounces of cream cheese, into the bowl. Okay, so the cream cheese is in there. Now I'm also going to put the sugar in. And then I'm going to put the third egg out of the 3. So I used 2 in the brownie mix, and I'm using 1 in this. Okay. So now I'm going to beat that together. So now I'm going to just dollop this on. Oh, that was my oven timer. So once I'm done with this, I will stick these in the oven. Okay, now with the cream cheese mixture, I'm just going to swirl it around. So now I am going to stick this into my oven for however long your box says. My box says to do it for 21 to 23 minutes. So I'm going to stick that in my oven. So these cheesecake brownies are done. I think they look pretty good. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tutorial Tube. Thank you.